Lotus, well known for its lightweight games vehicle, has taken a beautiful rabbit from its cap. Named the Lotus Emira, this new creation consolidates the style of a super vehicle with the exhibition and cost of a little games vehicle. Lotus Emira isn't simply one more model for the British carmaker that has changed proprietors many occasions over. For them, get the Emira right, as it is their last go at an ignition-engined vehicle. Before the IC motor kicks the can at the Lotus office, Emira has work to do. It replaces three of Lotus' most adored models, in particular Exige, Elise, and Evora. Altogether, there are enormous shoes for the Lotus Emira to fill, and from what we can see, it does it in radiant style. Taking a gander at the pictures, anybody will squeeze the Emira into the exclusive classes of McLarens and Ferraris. The streaming plan of the Emira doesn't pass on space for anybody to censure them. Particularly, as it follows its $2 million sister, the electric hyper-vehicle, Lotus Emira. Be that as it may, they are clearly off base, as the Emira battles more modest games vehicles like the Porsche 718 Cayman, Alpine A110, and the BMW M2 competition. It is somewhat bigger than the biggest Lotus it replaces, the Evora, and very bigger than the Exige and Elise. The wheelbase estimates 2,575 mm, longer than even the 992 Gen Porsche 911. Yet, Lotus being Lotus, they have shaved off however much they can to limit the load to 1,405 kilograms. The Lotus Emira sports a mid-engine back tire drive design, giving it a slight super vehicle flavor. Driving the Emira several motors. The most clear choice is the supercharged 3.5-liter Toyota V6 that performed its responsibility in the Exige and Evora. This motor is accessible with a manual and a programmed gearbox. Moving forward, the game is an AMG motor. The 2.0-liter turbocharged AMG motor is imparted to the Mercedes-AMG A45 and A45S. This is snared to a double-grasp programmed motor. Despite the fact that Lotus didn't reveal a lot of insight into the particular force yields, they noticed that Emira will be fit for creating power somewhere in the range of 360 and 400 HP. The speediest of the Emiras will hot 100 km per hour from 0 in under 4.5 seconds. The maximum velocity is a decent 290 km per hour. Dissimilar to most Lotuses, the Emira doesn't zero in vigorously on saving weight. The inside is hence very much designated with many solace and tech highlights. A 12.3-inch advanced instrument bunch and a 10.25-inch infotainment screen are advertised. The alternatives list incorporates Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, 12-way electrically movable seats, journey control, encompassing lighting, auto diminishing backseat reflect, and the sky is the limit from there. A discretionary Lotus driver's pack includes launch control along with everything else. One more discretionary pack tosses in stiffer suspension, and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup tires, shod on the standard 20-inch wheels. The 2022 Lotus Emira joins the vibes of a super vehicle with sports vehicle qualifications. Readily, it didn't convey the cost of a super vehicle. In UK, Emira begins from £60,000. This value floats around the top-notch sports vehicle mark, close by Corvettes and Caymans.